We're all 5 students and we're all interested in computer science, and we've all been working on creating this app.
Basically go from ground up. This is from scratch.
Documenting this stuff because you have to write the code, make sure people in the future can look at your code and tell what it does.
The museum sends us text information and I convert it from the text information into a database type structure.
I worked with design and sort of the functionality of a lot of the buttons. You can see the local wildlife and a lot of the animals that the Lindsay Museum either has in their museum or hears about often. You can see a list of different animals in that category. And then if you click on it, you see the picture bigger so you can help you identify the animal. Or you can also see information about what they do, what you can expect from them, what to do if you happen to encounter one, to have a safe encounter where you're not harming them and they're not harming you.
Anytime someone does have an encounter, they can share information, share their story. They can take a picture, write notes about it, location, they'll have a date. That'll be something that they can share to Lindsay Wildlife through Facebook or through Twitter. So it's a way for them to share their stories and adventures.
And then you can also look at the Lindsay Wildlife page, where you can find out kind of about the history and the mission of the museum, some of its programs that it offers.
We're here for the community, and this is just another way for us to outreach into that community and for people to learn about us and learn, about the wild animals in our neighborhood. So yes, this is a very exciting opportunity for Lindsay Wildlife Museum to further reach into our community.
As a faculty member, you try to, take a background role when possible to let the other team members actually do the work and to develop their own ideas.
It was also really interesting getting experience working with a client and having to balance our ideas with their ideas.
This project between St. Mary's College and Lindsay Wildlife Museum was made possible by Sensor ISE, and they have funded us or provided funding for us to do this project. The goal of it is to partner higher education facilities such as St. Mary's College with informal science education institutions such as Lindsay Wildlife Museum.
Everyone has seen every aspect of what it means, to design something from the very basic concepts to implementation, to presentation, to release, to design and publicity.
It's actually meaningful. People can actually use this, and that's the great part about it, is knowing that something I've worked so hard on is actually going to be used by people every day, and that'll help them learn more about their community and the animals that live in it.
Just being able to see this product that you've been working on for so long, for a year already, to be able to see it out into the public, that's something very exciting to see.
You can find out more about the app, its creation, its process, the team, and instructions on how to download it at the link below.